What is up, squad? Welcome back to the Daddy Seed channel. I'm your boy Trey, aka Daddy Seed. If it's your first time here, do me a quick favor, hit that notification bell down below so you can stay on top of our content as we drop it. And if you've been here before, thanks for continuing to rock out with us on the way to 5K and beyond in 2024. Now that that's out of the way, y'all, I hope everybody's 2024 is off to a great start. It's a new year. The sneaker cycle has been slow to say the least, but honestly, I'm like just enjoying this kind of nice breather of a time frame we're in right now. The drops haven't been crazy, and Lord knows we needed a break after December. But a lot of things now starting to heat up. Things about to start picking up. We're right in that time frame, and everybody and their grandmother has just been looking at upcoming Jordan releases that are, kind of taking the sneaker world by storm. Of course, we got the Reimagined 4s coming, Military Blues, so on and so forth, right? But today I just wanted to talk about a sneaker that, coming into 2024, my aim is to be way more selective than I was last year. 2023 was busy, copped a lot of kicks, and my goal this year is to not do that. I mean, I'm going to cop kicks, that's the goal, because I love sneakers, but really trying to be a lot more selective. And I've heard people saying this year after year after year, but really this year I'm just really trying to stay focused, and I recommend you do the same if that's part of your goals. There's so many things coming up. We're seeing shoes that are getting reduced on sale here and there, left and right. Shoes that are sitting in stores, and the stuff that I passed on initially, where I'm like, I can circle back and get those now at a cheaper price. But I'm like, nah, I'm gonna wait, and that just helps me kind of stick to my guns. I got some buddies that have been copping left and right, doing a ton of reachbacks on stuff that they passed on, when the initial drop happened. But anyway, with that all out of the way, let me talk about a shoe that I picked up this year. That's been my first cop of 2024. This is actually a re-release of one that I always wanted, and I was, tempted to go back and cop maybe some point last year. Glad I didn't. I was able to come up upon the Nike, this purple box, see the purple box era, Nike SB Dunk Low Court Purple. So how I came upon these shoes, really nice, story. Went out of town. My son Nigel, my co-pilot who's, here, he's been here in the past. There's a lot less these days because he's busy, and now we're getting into the college realm for him. He's at that age. But we went out of town to Savannah, Georgia for a college visit down there. And Savannah is home of Clockwork Skate Shop. Now I entered a ton of their raffles and stuff. I actually hit on a few things from them. Got a buddy that lives in Savannah. He was able to cop my Crenshaw Skate Club SBs. He copped, the SB4s there. But it's a great store. They're doing things the right way. I happened to walk in the store where they just got their shipment in of these Nike SB Dunk Court Purples. So, was able to work that out. My guy Dylan down there, appreciate the love, man. And get these in hand. It's a pair that was on my radar. Like, yeah, these are circle back for sure. But again, this was a 2021 release. So it's only been a couple of years that these came out, but they're re-releasing them again. Skate shops have them now, and they release on sneakers. I think it's January 27th. So that's a shoe. So it's a shoe that on a lot of people's radar. It's a classic, just an overall clean shoe. We just gonna get right into it. It's got your Nike SB box, Nike SB paper, and the shoe itself. I'll get it out here. The shoe itself, this is what it's doing, right? Nike SB Dunk Court Purple. Just overall clean colorway. You got the nice leather all over. It's a thick cut on this leather, which is nice. Not overly plush and premium, but it's just a solid SB. Nothing spectacular. It's retailing for $115, and it's crazy because they originally released 2 years ago for $100. Now $15 in 2 years. You tell me about Nike and their inflation. That's pretty crazy. But overall, the shoe I always wanted. I missed it back then. Really like this Court Purple SB, and it's pretty strict, pretty straightforward. Not too many frills or thrills with the shoe. It takes from the Jordan 1, obviously like the black toe, Jordan 1, with you got the black around the toe box, that strap there, black on the lace section, You got a black swoosh. You got white panels on the top of the toe, on the side panels. But I do love the blackout on the collar piece here. And you got Nike in black as well. So it's really like blacked out with just a hit of purple on this back section, right? And then the white midsole, purple on the outsole with that exposed foam in black with the Nike SB. And then they give you the black laces in the shoe, and they came also with white laces. Now I will say, I think purple laces would go great in this shoe. That'll set it off, and I may look at getting some Nike SB laces in purple to do that. But I think overall, especially I'm in this area, in the Baltimore area, and this is Ravens country, so this will be like a crazy cop for Ravens fans. Not my team, but I love this shoe anyway. I am a Lakers fan though, so purple can go with the Lakers all day long too. You have white padded tongue, traditional SB padding, that nylon kind of polyester blend tongue. Really nice leather on the foot of the shoe. This one's weird because this one kind of is soft and wrinkly. You see the difference here between the two toes, the upper section of the toe box there. It's one is more wrinkly in leather and the other is not. That's just how the shoe came. I don't understand why, but what are you gonna do? And then the insole, you got, I think it's a purple insole here. This is purple insole. It's your Zoom Air. Right, you got your Zoom Air pouch on the back and your memory foam on the front. Purple insole. Nice and clean. Pretty straightforward. I mean, I think, from this shoe, you can beat it up. I think this could become a regular wear for sure, like super wearable with jeans, with really anything, with khakis, black sweatpants. I think it's just the overall clean shoe. But yeah, happy to pick it up. Wasn't anything too crazy. Picked it up for retail gang for the win. Yeah, let me know. Are these on your list? They're dope. Again, they releasing soon on the sneakers app. Skate shops have them now. But make sure you put in all your raffles. I know a lot of raffles that are out there right now. They haven't closed yet. You still got some time for those. But yeah, get back to me. Let me know if this is on your list. Have you copped the pair already? Did you already have the 2021? I know I got a few buddies that were able to get the 2021 version, so this is not on their radar at all. But I'm glad they released them. I don't know what prompted this release. Maybe just they may have had some extra pairs around that they from back in the day. Actually, I don't know. Let me look at the date on these. This is made in 2023. So no, these are new. These are made July to October 2023. So these aren't leftover pairs from 2 years ago. These are brand new pairs. I wonder how they compare, between them. But the leather, again, nice thick leather. Leather is nice and, kind of plush on the insides there. On this shoe, at least. And this one, it's not plasticky. It's not like your regular Dunk, of course, because it's an SB. But yeah, that's my take on it. Let me know what's on your list coming up. This it'll be January now, getting close towards the end of the month. What's on the next, what's your pickup list looking like? And did you, again, set some sneaker goals for 2024? Are you being more selective, or you just copping whatever comes down the pipe? Anyway, that's all I got for you today, y'all. Hit me up online. Leave a comment here. Love to hear from you. Hit me up on the socials at Real Daddy Seed, and I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.